Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to see who screenshotted your public Snapchat story. If you've ever wondered who's saving your snaps without asking, this quick tutorial will help you find out easily so you can keep track of your story activity. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. Make sure you're using the latest version, as older versions may not show accurate story views or screenshot details. Once the app opens, log into your Snapchat account using your username and password so you can access your stories and insights properly. Step 2. Within the main screen, locate the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This icon usually shows your Bitmoji or a simple outline of your avatar. By tapping on it, you'll open your profile menu, which includes all your account details, your Snap score, and your story options. This is where you can manage everything related to your stories. Step 3. From the profile menu, scroll down until you find the My Story section. Tap on it to open your current public story. Once it opens, look toward the bottom left of the screen where you'll see an eye icon which shows who viewed your story, or a screenshot icon that indicates who took a screenshot. Tap on these icons one by one to view detailed information about who interacted with your story. Step 4. Now you can clearly see who screenshotted your public Snapchat story. For example, if you see the name Robert next to the screenshot symbol, that means Robert took a screenshot of your story. This helps you stay aware of your viewers and maintain your privacy when sharing publicly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful Snapchat guides and app tutorials.